Today I'm making blackened shrimp tacos. I'll be serving my tacos with some red cabbage, avocado, and a salsa verde ranch. This is a pretty simple and quick recipe. We're gonna start off by making the ranch. Into a blender, I'm gonna add a quarter cup of sour cream, a quarter cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of pickle juice, a tablespoon of lime juice, 4 tablespoons of salsa verde, store-bought is fine, half a cup of chopped cilantro, 1 clove of garlic, quarter teaspoon each of onion powder and dried parsley, an eighth of a teaspoon of salt and garlic powder, and a dash of black pepper. We're going to blend this until smooth and store it in the fridge until we need it, which will allow it to thicken and the flavors to intensify. Next, we're going to work on our blackening seasoning for our shrimp. Into a bowl, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano, garlic powder, and onion powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, quarter teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix this all together, breaking up any clumpy spices. The seasoning that goes onto the shrimp can also be used for fish or chicken, which also make great tacos. Now let's season our shrimp. I'm going to use about half of the seasoning mixture to coat about 6 ounces of pre-cooked shrimp. Rub the seasoning into the shrimp as evenly as possible before transferring to a hot and oiled pan and cooking about a minute on each side. For garnish, I'll need some shredded red cabbage and sliced avocado, which will give these tacos some really nice colors. Into a warm pan, I'm placing a corn tortilla and heating on each side until warmed before transferring to a plate and topping with half the shrimp, shredded red cabbage, a couple of avocado slices, and our salsa verde ranch. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.